Memorable event of your life. A memorable event in my life was my high school graduation. Since it was very difficult, my family had a different difficulty economic situation. This is with it was a good that had set myself to finish my studies. I did not want to be on more that living here goals in the middle. I was believe in my dreams are achieving it and feels my weak happenings. My family was white, therefore me and with their weeks on dreams can true. I received many congratulations. I know that we'll have many memorable moments. But it has more battles, wins, you and things you sacrifice.